Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to work with SQL. In our previous video I had showed how to download and install SQL. Now after installing we need to enter user ID and password. Then if it shows connected to, okay, then it is confirmed that SQL is connected. We can start working with SQL. So here we need to remember one thing, that here SQL is totally command based interface. Here we cannot use anything by using mouse and all. Okay, with the commands we will work with SQL. We need to remember the commands, and the commands with all the syntax will be called as the queries. So this SQL is structured query language. Without wasting time, let us start with our work. Here I am showing the second PUC first program regarding the lab program, that is how to generate an electricity bill. Okay, with the commands and queries. Now I am working. First we need to create a table by using create a table command. After create table I am giving the table name as e-bill, that means electricity bill. Okay, if you want we can continue with the same line command, otherwise we can go for second line. See, it is showing number 2, open parenthesis. Okay, then press enter, it will show number 3. Here what are the things needed? First is RR number. Okay, RR number includes both alphabet as well as character. In the place where we use alphabet and character in the same column, to that column we will give data type as varchar 2, and 7 is the number of characters what we will enter under the table. Okay, under the column RR number we need to enter only the 7 characters, not more than that. Next, after that, customer name, I will give it as CUSTNAME, customer name. For this thing also I am giving varchar 2, because under customer name also we will use both. Okay, otherwise we will give just varchar. Yeah, that will be good, so that you can come to know what's the difference between varchar 2 and varchar. Varchar 2 will be used in the place where both number and alphabet are used in the same column, but only just varchar is used to enter the alphabet. In the column where we are using only the alphabet, to that column we will take the data type as varchar. Next we will take it as billing date. Okay, I will take it as bill date. Here we will enter date, so for that thing I will take simply the data type as date, put comma, then press enter. We need one more column, that is units. For units I will take data type as number. Here under units we will enter only the reading of the meter, how many units the power has consumed. So there we are using only the number, no alphabet and no mixing of alphabet with number. So I have used the data type only number here. Okay, and one more important thing, since this is the last line, that is last column of the table, after this I have to close the parenthesis and put semicolon. In the last column we will not put comma, just we will press enter, then close parenthesis, semicolon. Like this also we can give, otherwise in the single line also we can give the entire query. Now I will press enter. If it gives table created, then my query is right. Otherwise, if I have any errors in this query, it will give us and show us the error. I am pressing enter now. See, table is created. After creating table by using DESC command, we'll see the details of the table, that is describe. I'm giving the table name electricity bill, then semicolon, press enter. See, it is showing the details of the table, that is RR number, customer name, bill date and units are the column names of the table, and varchar 2 of 7, varchar 2 of 10, it has taken varchar 2. Okay, no issue. Varchar 2 of 10 and a date and number, they are the data types. Since it is a empty table, we have not inserted any rows, so we cannot able to see the contents of the table. Now if you want to see the contents of the table, we need to insert rows. To insert rows I will use the command insert into. Okay, see, wherever I'm giving space, there you have to give the space. Okay, where I'm not giving space, no need to give the space. See here under creation of table, that is RR number. Okay, here under the column names, the space is not used, so I have taken without space customer name, bill date and units. Instead of space we can use underscore, but if you use underscore and all, it creates lot of issues, lot of errors may be created and it consumes lot of time. So come to the command insert into, then give the table name as ebill, then give one space, type values. Okay, open parenthesis. See here, RR number includes both alphabet and character, so wherever alphabet comes, we'll start with single quote. Sorry, I have pressed enter. Here also we can give, we'll start with single quote. Okay, then I am giving EH1001, then close single quote. Okay, then put comma. After that, customer name. Customer name I am giving Arjun, sorry, Arun Kumar. Here we have to remember while entering, only 7 characters should be entered expected of single quote. Single quotes are not included under the table. Okay, so only 7 characters. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have taken only number 7. Okay, for that we can able to enter only number 7. As we have taken 10, so we can enter up to 10. Here also up to 7, not more than 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, any number we can enter. Here also 1 to 10 we can enter, not more than 10. Okay, as I have taken alphabet here, so I have used opening single quote and closing single quote. After that, put comma. Then in date also we have to use the format what I am showing now, 12 MAR, that is March, then 2016. Here also in the month we have used MAR as alphabet, so date is also enclosed in a pair of single quotes. Okay, and date should be entered in SQL in this format. Put comma. Then finally we'll give the units as 98. Here one error purposely I am doing. If we miss, okay, the single quote closing or opening, then what error it shows. See, purposely I did the mistake, I did the error. If I press enter, definitely it gives us error because I have missed a single quote near the date. See, it is showing quoted string not properly terminated, and where it is showing, it is not showing anywhere, just it is showing line 2 error. Okay, quoted string not properly terminated means here single quote I have opened but I have not closed. If this kind of errors happens, then what you have to do, one thing in SQL is we have to type the entire command. So I will show you one thing, just select the command, then we'll press from keyboard Ctrl C to copy, then press Ctrl V to paste. See, the command is pasted. After that, take the second line up to where error is there. Okay, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Here we have missed the single quote. Now I will close single quote, put comma and put 98. Since see here for number we will not use single quote. If we use single quote also it will accept, but why should we waste our time? So for saving our time, I am not using any single quote in the place of units, that is 98. 98 comes under the column units. Okay, so I am clicking here. Now I will press enter. See what SQL shows us. See, it is showing one row created. Now the same thing I will create one more, just up to here I will copy. Okay, just as I was copying, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. EH2005 we will take. Okay, single quote, close, put comma, open single quote. Then I will take the name as Naveen. Okay, close single quote. Okay, put comma. Then now open single quote and enter the date. That is 14th March. Okay, 14th March 2016. Put comma. Or put single quote. Close single quote. Then put comma and give the units as 108 semicolon. Now press enter. One row created. Every time it is showing one row created only because In every query, we are creating only one row. Now I have already copied the same thing I am pasting here. Okay, then here the next thing is 2007 2007, close with single quote, put comma, open single quote, give the name as Varun, close single quote, put comma, and open single quote, put the date 18th February in 2016, put close single quote, then after that put comma and give units as 157. Okay, then close parenthesis, semicolon, and enter. 3 rows I have entered. Like this we can enter many rows as possible. Okay, here 10 rows I have. I will try to enter all these 10 rows so that you can come to know properly. Okay, then next row it is having, now I am pasting the same thing. EH2007 is finished. Now I am taking EH3009, EH3009. Okay, close single quote, put comma and open single quote, after Varun David is there. Okay, close single quote, then put comma, again open single quote, give date as 1st March. Okay, 2016. Then put close single quote, put comma, after 1st March 2016 the units of electricity consumed is 89, close parenthesis, put semicolon, then press enter. One row created. Again paste, Control V. After that I am giving 3010, close with single quote, put comma, again open single quote, for name I am using the name as John, then close with single quote, put comma. Now I have to enter the date. Okay, date I am entering 11th April. Okay, 11th April and it is 2016, close single quote, put comma, now enter units as 77. Okay, close parenthesis, put semicolon, press enter. One row created. Again I am pasting. Okay, here we'll take EH3013. Okay, then close single quote, put comma, open single quote, and give the name as Akshay. Then close single quote, put comma, again open single quote, then give the date as 2nd of February 2016. Okay, sorry, year 2016, close single quote, then put comma. Here we have used 68 units, close semicolon, close parenthesis, put semicolon, enter. Again paste the same thing. Next is EH1010. Okay, close single quote, then put comma. To name, open single quote, the name is Chandru, close single quote, put comma, again open single quote, the date is 12th March 2016. Okay, in close single quote, put comma, and the units consumed is 108, again close parenthesis, then semicolon, press enter. After that again I am pasting the same thing. I am trying to put all the 10 rows here. See, 7 rows are already over. Okay, now just 3 rows are we have left with, and I will enter all this. Okay, 1008, then semicolon, close single quote. Okay, put comma, open single quote, after Chandru here it is Kanvat. Okay, then close single quote, put comma, open single quote, I will give the same date 12 March 2016, close single quote, put comma, units are 132, close parenthesis, close semicolon, press enter. See here again one more row is created. Now we have left with only 2 more rows. Okay, see here I have taken EH2105. Okay, as usual I am opening and closing quotes wherever it is necessary, then the name is Dhruva. Then for here also we'll take 12th March 2016. Okay, now after that close double quote, put comma, the units consumed is 87, semicolon, and press enter. See here one more row, 9 rows are created, we have left with last row. Okay, here I will take EH3041, comma. Okay, semicolon, then comma, and now name I am giving as Shreya. Okay, semicolon, no, sorry, single quote, then put comma, open single quote, then again the same date, 12th March 2016. Okay, at 12th March 2016 she has consumed 127 units of power, electricity. Now press enter. See, I have completed all the 10 rows. Now after completing 10 rows, okay, now I want to check whether the table has inserted rows or not. Even after inserting one row also we can check. So I have not okay, willing to, I was not willing to waste the time. Okay, so for that thing I have entered all the rows. To see the contents of the table, we'll give the command select star from. The command is select star from, and the name of the table, then semicolon. See, select command is used to see the contents. See the contents of the table. What are the things present under the table? If we use a star here, where I am showing with circle, if you use star, star means whatever thing which is present in the table, everything which is present in the table will be displayed. Now I am pressing enter. Select star from, then table name, semicolon, press enter. See, it is showing the details of our table what we have entered. Like this, the table will be created in SQL. 10 rows we have created. Okay, now one more thing, if you want to repeat our previous queries, we will use up arrow or down arrow. Okay, they can be repeated. Okay, but here it is not repeating, and sometimes it will be repeated. Otherwise, we need to use copy paste. Okay, now I will use one more command, that is alter command. See, alter command is used, as I said, SQL is not case sensitive. We can use anywhere uppercase letters and we can use anywhere lowercase letters. Now I am using alter command. Alter table. With this, we can modify the table. We can do changes in the table. We can add more columns to the table. Okay. Now I am entering alter table. Then table name is ebill. Add. What we have to add? Bill amount we need to add. For bill amount I am taking number as data type. Then I am giving 6,2. What is this 6,2? Here we can give up to 6 digits and comma will be for 2 more digits extra. Then close. See, one here I have used the parenthesis opened, one here. So this opening parenthesis we have closed here, and this opening parenthesis I am closing at last. Then semicolon, press enter. It is showing table altered. Okay, now I will repeat the command to see whether table is altered or not. This Control C, Control V, then press enter. See, the table is altered. See here, in the beginning the table does not have any extra column. After altering table, after entering bill amount, see, it is created one more column, that is bill amount. Okay, and I am altering table once more, so I am copying from here to here. Okay, Control C for copy, Control V to paste. Now I have to enter due date. That means to which date, the last date for the payment of bill. Then here also I am giving the data type as date only, since we have opened only one parenthesis and I am using and closing only one parenthesis. Now press enter. See, it is showing table altered. See, again we can, without, instead of typing, we will select Control C for copy, Control V to paste, then press enter. See here, in the first table bill amount is not there, and in the second table, after altering table, bill amount is added but no due date. Okay, and after using alter by adding due date, see, our table is complete with the column name, that is due date. Now I have to fill the table. I have to fill. How to fill? See, billing amount I have to fill, then due date I have to fill. Okay. Since I have already entered all the rows, so what we have to do? We need to use the command as update. Update command. Update e-bill set. This is the query of the command. Okay. Update e-bill set. Then while entering, we need to see the column names properly. Bill amount. See, here it is bill amount. BILLAMT. In the same format, we need to enter bill amount. BILLAMT. It means here I have used lowercase, but table name is uppercase. SQL is not case sensitive. Anywhere we can use uppercase, anywhere we can use lowercase. Bill amount equal to 100 plus units. Units is this one, 100 plus, then units into, okay, units into 4.25. okay, where this means that I am entering bill amount to units. That means 100 plus units, okay, into 4.25. We are adding number 100 to units and multiplying this thing with 4.25, that is per unit rupees 4.25. okay, where using where clause, where units, okay, less than or equal to 100 semicolon. See here under units, 98 is less than 100, 89 is less than 100, 77, 68, 87, they are less than 100. So for less than 100 units, wherever units are less than 100 or equal to 100, there we have to use units. For the units, we will add 100 and this will be multiplied by 4.25, that is rupees 4.25 per unit. This is the formula here in this program it has given. After pressing enter, we'll see what will happen. See, 5 rows updated. How many rows are there? They are below 100. 1, okay, 1 is here, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now it is not showing. See, if we use the command select star from e-bill, then control CV, after pressing enter, see, it is showing the bill amount updated for all the 5 rows where units are less than 100. Now I will give query for units more than 100. See, I am giving update e-bill, okay, set bill amount equal to, okay, 100 plus 100 into 4.25, okay, into 4.25 plus, then open parenthesis, units minus 100, it is the formula, okay, into 5. This is the formula. So while giving formula, we will not use any space. After that, we'll use space to give where clause, okay, where units, okay, where units are what, greater than 100. We are using this formula, okay, for bill amount for the units where the units are greater than 100. See, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So now it has to show 5 rows updated. Yes, it is showing 5 rows updated. We will check by using the select star from command. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, press enter. See here. Now in this table, in the previous table, units greater than 100 are not filled with any bill amount. But in this table, the bill amount is filled for units more than 100 also. Now the last query, that is due date, we will give. So for due date, which query we need to use? See, for that also we'll use update e-bill set. Where we have to set, we have to set the due date to the column due date. Okay, see, as the name mentioned in the column, Okay, the same way we should enter in the query due date space. Oh, sorry, don't give space. Due date equals bill amount or bill date. Okay, due date equals to bill date. See here, bill date. Okay, the same format I have copied here. Okay, bill date plus 15, then semicolon. What it is? What query we are using here? Due date equal to, okay, due date. Bill date plus 15 means 15 days more from the bill date. We have time to pay the bill amount. That is, the deadline to pay the bill amount is 15 days from the day of bill date. Okay, now I will press enter. See, 10 rows updated. To check the details, select star from ebill command. Copy, paste and press enter. See, it is showing the complete table. See here, 12 March, then it is 27 March. How many days? 15 days. Here 14 March, then 29 March. 18th February, see 4th March. 1st March, 16th March. Then 11th April, 26th April. Our query has worked properly, so the date is showing 15 days more from the billing date. This is how we have to do the first program of our second PUC SQL. So here we have got the final table. After getting this final table, we need to enter as output this final table. No need to enter all these tables what we have worked. Only the commands what we have used, ebill, select star from ebill, or update, then update command. Okay, before that, if you want to run, come to the right side like this. We can okay, scroll down and up. After that, alter commands. How many times we have used alter? 2 times. Okay, this command. Then insert commands. Okay, only commands you have to write in your lab exam and in your record. See, only the create table query, only the queries we have to use. Then desk ebill, then insert into ebill like this. We will enter only the queries in our exam. And finally, we have to enter this complete table. We have to enter this complete table in our answer sheet as the output of the program. If you get output like this, then your program is good and you will get the full marks. We will come with next program in our next video. Till then, thank you. For closing, give the command as exit, then it will close. Thank you. We will meet with our second program in our next video. Till then, bye.